Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Airstrike Grenade in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's very easy to draw. We're gonna start out with the top of the canister first. So this is kind of almost like a lid area. So we're just gonna draw in like a long rectangle. I know my lines are a little bit wobbly. That's okay. Okay, so that's gonna be the top of the lid. So now for the canister itself, just kind of come in slightly, and then we're gonna come all the way down. You can come straight down, or you can make the bottom a little bit wider. So I think it's supposed to be a little bit wider, but it's pretty close. Okay, so then from there we're gonna close this one off. And then to finish up the bottom right here, just go to the corner, just kind of draw a little bracket going in. And then close this off again. And then for the very bottom, just kind of continue the slant here. Just go down a little bit more and then close it off. So that's gonna give us almost the full shape of this Airstrike Grenade. So now let's add in some detail to this canister. So right in the middle right here, I'm just gonna draw a rectangle. It's gonna go right past this line here. Okay, so that's gonna be one, and then we're gonna draw one more on the side. So I'm just gonna draw one line coming down, same as this, and then from here, just go out. Okay, so same thing here on this side. So I'm just gonna come straight down, and then just go out. And then for some more detail right here, I'm just gonna draw one little line all the way across. And then same thing up here. So right in this space, go across. Alright, so now let's go up and finish up the lever, and then we'll draw in the little bomb symbol down there. Okay, so going up, so just come in slightly, draw another rectangle. And then from here, I'm going to extend these lines. This one's going to go up, give an angle, and then come all the way across to this line right here. Okay, and then from here, we're going to start on the inside. So we're going to slant down, so it should be past this part here. Let's come down right around here. Just a little curve, and then come down, and then we'll stop there. And then now we'll work on the outside line. So this part here, we're just gonna slant it out past this, and then just go straight down until you meet up to this point here. And then we'll just close it off with a little angle. All right, nice and easy. Alright, and then for some detail up here, just come right around here. I'm just gonna draw a circle right on the line. And then from here, just draw like a little arc around the circle. Alright, and then right here, I'm just gonna draw a circle, a smaller one, just kind of floating. And then same thing here, just draw a little arc around it. Alright, so that's pretty much it. And now let's draw in the little bomb symbol right here. So this part's a little bit tricky. We're gonna draw everything at a slant. So just draw like a little egg shape and an angle. So just kind of curve up, and then on the bottom, just draw the same curve, just opposite. Alright, and then from there, we're gonna draw a little curve inside here. So it's gonna be in perspective. That's why we're drawing a little curve like this. And then once you have this one, just come down and draw the same curve, but just smaller. And then one more at the tip. So just come here and just draw a little hook like that. And then on the very tip here, just draw a little rectangle coming out. Okay, and then for the back here, this one's easier. So right in the middle of this, just slant. And then from here, Just kind of go out, and this might go off to the edge, and then just come back into the middle. Okay, and then right here a smaller one. Well, not necessarily smaller, but just in perspective. So we're only seeing part of it. So just come out and just come back in. And that is it for this Airstrike Grenade. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.